Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade tuna salad only way. Start by draining 2 cans of tuna and flaking with a fork, then combine 1/4 cup mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons chopped celery, and 1 tablespoon chopped onion in a bowl. Add a squeeze of lemon, salt, and pepper to taste, mix gently, and chill briefly so flavors meld. Serve on bread, crackers, or lettuce for a satisfying meal. Start by placing drained tuna in a medium bowl and use a fork to gently flake it into bite-sized pieces. Add mayonnaise and chopped vegetables, then fold ingredients together carefully to maintain chunkiness. Season conservatively, taste, and adjust salt, pepper, or lemon until the balance feels right. Let the salad rest in the fridge for a short time to let flavors harmonize, then serve where you like, warm or chilled. Think about how you want to enjoy your tuna salad: as a sandwich, atop mixed greens, or as a snack on crackers. For sandwiches, toast the bread lightly and add crisp lettuce for contrast. On salads, place a generous scoop over greens and drizzle a little extra lemon if desired. For snacks, use sturdy crackers or hollowed tomatoes and fill them neatly. These options keep the dish versatile and crowd-friendly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.